Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is the Pip box. Now then, this is like it's a cruelty free box and it is £22 a month, but you do get free shipping and you usually get 5 beauty products in this box. This will probably be it dispatches on the 18th of every month, so this is going to be probably the September box, probably is, yes. So there it is, there's the front box. Right, so you receive 5 beauty vegan products in here every month, and you can cancel it anytime. And also there is other subscriptions you can get. You get one like for beards or for men, or you can get a child's one as well. So yeah, so just pop onto the webpage. You have like children's ones, men's ones, any ones that's like that. So there's no particular way of opening this box. I probably might. It says, yeah, it's arrived, your beauty treats are here, try them, love them, make the switch to cruelty free. Well, I have done that because I bought this box. So I'm just trying to figure out, well, that's probably, there's always another way. I haven't done it correctly. Right, so there is the top of this box. And as I said, it's £22. And I have got Honey Pie Minerals. Now this is a repeat offender. We've had that before, but never mind, we will try it. So I'll just get rid of all of this stuff and let's just have a look at this. Oh wow, so this is like a beauty pot bath salts. Well, that will be definitely going in the giveaway, because I don't have a bath, I have a shower, so it won't work. But I'll have a look at it, probably maybe, I don't know about, no, I won't open it. Right, so then we've got Dr. Botanicals. Oh, I love this brand, Dr. Botanicals. I absolutely love their face wash. Now it might be a bit of a mess because I just not the cleanest, but I have their face wash. It's amazing. It's an exfoliator and it smells of coffee. Absolutely amazing. I can't just go on about it any much more because it is up there, you know. Well, that is a charcoal superfood mattifying face mask. Happy to use that. Right, okay, so then we get, what is these? And these look like, we've got chocolates. We got cookie dough chocolates. Pretty good. Right, so then we got a space mask. Never tried one of those before. Oh, there we go, there it is. So we'll put that to there. Then we get a organic eyelash eyebrow enhancing oil. Oh, I really need that. That is really good. I was looking for some of that, but I'm pleased I got it in this box. Then we get a Coderm cream. I've heard lots of stories on that on Instagram, like people being super thrilled about it and going on about how good it is. So I am looking forward to trying this, but it's a Coderm cream with colloidal oatmeal avec, I can't speak French, I'm English. So it's moisturising cream for dry sensitive skin and it's alcohol free, yes, and it's all day effect. So I've been looking for a decent moisturiser, so maybe that could be it. If it isn't, it will be in the bag. And if it is, well, it gets a thumbs up. I hope you give my video a thumbs up as well. Please like, share and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Right, so let's just go along with these products. Right, first of all, since all I've got in my hand, we will have a look at this, which is the Coderm Moisturising Cream. And I'm just going to squeeze a small amount of it on my hands. I got something on my hand there. And it's not open because you have to. See, it's got a silver thing, so it's never been tampered with, which is good. And now I'm just going to take it off. Just like so. Oh, it is like a really good moisturizer. Cream should look like. Oh wow, that is super hydrating. That is like going to work super fast, and it really does. It has no scent, which is where I want moisturisers to do. I don't want a scented moisturiser. Happy with that? I am super happy with that. And plus, it is cruelty free, so really, really good. It's made in the EU, and the ingredients for this is aqua, glycerin, distylalodium chloride, isperol, platinate, paraffin, liquidum, glycerol, stearate, and phenoxyphal, hydropenant. Can't pronounce these big words, but you can have a look at them and maybe you might see them. Not sure if you can. But that is that one, and let's just have a look, see if we've got the prices in here. Oh, by the way, you get Discover Your Natural Beauty, and it just says free from talc, parabens, oil dyes, blemish, fragrance. So, oh, that's going on about the honey pie one. We ain't got to that one yet, and it says you can enter the code honey15 at checkout to get 15% off. So, and then there is, we've got Curdam, we just had a look at that. Curdam with cordial, oatmeal and alcohol-free skincare range to hydrate, soothe and protect the skin, and they're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So there you go. Right. Then we got, you can download the Vegan Life digital download on your iPad. Enter the code PITBOX18, and once activated, the issue will automatically be added to your account. And for that, it's £3.89, but you can just download it. It's PITBOX1018. So, and then it says subscriber exclusive discount, PITBOX Beauty Advent Calendar. You will get 24 beauty products worth over £220. We're offering our subscribers a chance to pre-order one of the Beauty Advent calendars early with save an exclusive subscriber discount code. So it's RRP price is £65, but save £5 with your exclusive code. So you just put Advent19 and save yourself a fiver. You may as well do it. But there we go. I don't know whether I will be getting that this year. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I want a Christmas present. Hope my partner's watching. Right, so then we're going to get to this, which is, I think that this might be a full-sized item. I am not sure. Well, it is new to the market. It's the Curdam Cream. It's a daily moisturisation and a gentle exfoliation with Curdam Cream's alcohol-free formulation for fabulous face and body hydration. Save 20% off with the code PIP20. The RRP price, I'm surprised at this. I'd have thought that would have been at least £10. No, it isn't. It's £2.75 from curdam.co.uk. Bargain. If it's a good moisturiser, I will be ordering more of that. So good. Right, so then we got this, which is definitely going in a giveaway. Can you have a little scent of it? I don't want to use it. Oh my gosh, that smells like roses. That has an amazing scent of roses. pet is like that. It's like those things that you put in the wardrobe, those scented clothes things. It smells exactly like that. It smells really, really nice. So that is definitely going into my giveaway. And this is the Natural Beauty Pot. It's rose bath salts. Relax with the body and mind. And the RRP price for this is £4, but you can get 15% off with code PIP18. So there you go. And then the next item we got is this one, which is a blush, which I've had it before, and it is £7.99, but you can get 15% off with code PIP15. So it is the pink blush, pink rose blush, and I'm not going to be able to get into that, but you'll see it. See there. You just see it. It really is. It is pretty, but I never ever use it. I might just put that in a giveaway as well. So that is giveaway items. So yeah, you must subscribe to my channel and of course give me a like. And then the next item is this one, isn't it? No, it's not. It's the eyelash serum. Is the next item. So there it is. It's just like a brush. I'm not going to be able to show you because my eyelashes is done. So yes, oops, it's not going to go back in the tub. So this is the eyelash serum, and I'm trying to find it. This is £8 and you get 20% off with code PIP20. It nourishes, it revitalises and revives the eyebrows. What more could you want? What more could you want it to do? So then this is the dearest item. This is the Dr. Botanicals Charcoal Superfood Mattifying Face Mask. Let's have a look at it. This is like £14.90, so it is the price of the box, and the box is a bit more, of course, but it's really expensive stuff. Is this one, and it has one of those little tabs in it. Like, that's going to annoy me. So I'll just put it a bit there. Is it? Has no scent at all. Well, it does have a little bit of scent. It does smell a bit like paint stripper, maybe's. But it is good. I've had that before in one of my other boxes and I do like it. So it is a thumbs up. So that is that one, and it's cleanses, exfoliates complexion, and it looks like that. So that's that one done. Now then, I want to get to this one now then, because this one's really good. The space mask. I've heard so many people about it. I've never tried it, and there it is, and that is £3.50. And then we're going to go, oh, we've got a bonus treat. This is the bonus treat, and it's by Laviva's Kitchen, and this is £1.50. So let's just try these. See what I really like. Cookie dough. Right, okay, so they come like that. Don't want to show you my plastic, but I'm going to have to, because they like that. Like little balls of chocolate. There we go. So let's try one. Raw cookie dough. Weird texture. That's what I would say about that. It is definitely like a healthy sort of thing. It's not wow. It's healthy. So this is gluten free, it's dairy free, and it's vegan friendly, and it says indulge with a twist. I could definitely taste those dates. Now I prefer proper real things. I don't prefer dates. It's okay, but I wouldn't buy it. No way. Right, so that is the end of the pit box. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!